our vegetable ragu, this Caponata confetti sauce. I have 2 small firm eggplants here, or you can use 1 large eggplant, but you want it to be nice and heavy and very firm, not spongy. So I've got 1 that's been resting here just a couple minutes with some salt and a kitchen towel. Our second layer here. Season liberally with salt. Give it a good press. Now in our pan, I've got some oil, a few turns of the pan, about 3 turns of olive oil, getting nice and hot. And in this first bowl, I have this combination of peppers. These are sweet peppers. 1 fresh chili pepper and or Calabrian chili paste, something to make it spicy. Celery and a large onion. So we're gonna get this going first. Season the peppers, onions, and celery with some salt. I just did 1 little sprinkle of salt there because we're getting a lot of salt from this. A handful of green olives, a handful of black olives, pitted and chopped, and some small capers. We're gonna also add in our garlic once this sweats. So to help it sweat quicker, I'm gonna put a lid on the pot and let that go for a couple of minutes. I also have a large pot of water coming up to a boil. You can make this with short or long pasta. If you're gonna use long pasta though, it needs to be really sturdy, like a bucatini or a fat spaghetti. So now we're going to use our towels to help us add the eggplant to the pot neatly. And we'll grate in some garlic. So I used about 4 cloves. We're going to add our salt, olives and capers. A little heat or a lot of heat. My family likes spicy food. I'm gonna do about a good tablespoon of the chili paste. Sun-dried tomato or tomato paste. And again, you can just use paste in combination with water or stock. I'm gonna use paste and fresh tomato in a little water or stock if I wanna thin the sauce. I always add the cooking water from the pasta itself, of course. And we stir that in until you can smell it. And that wakes it up. It's been sitting in a tube. And we're gonna add our fresh cherry tomato. And then we want that tomato to give off all of its natural liquids and its sugars. So we're going to put the lid back on while we cook our pasta and just stir it occasionally. So I took the lid off and here's what our beautiful Caponata confetti sauce looks like. It's like a big hearty vegetable ragu. Look how thick it is. And now we're going to finish with a little parsley and basil. Beautiful. And I just tried my orecchietti and it was just about perfect. And I want it a little shy because it's gonna have carryover cooking while we marry all this. Reserve my water. Turn off the burner. All the pasta goes back into the hot pot or into the sauce pot, but in this case the sauce pot is so full, gotta go the other way around here. Marry the confetti with the orecchietti. Stir, a little starchy cooking water, a little extra drizzle of good olive oil. Okay, I'm gonna add a little parm and a little pecorino, like a handful of each. Mix this together and emulsify the cheese. Wow,